Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the Nest Hub so the reset goes cleanly. First, make sure you know which model you have and that it's plugged in or sufficiently charged. Resets can fail if power drops. Next, open the Google Home app and confirm linked accounts and Wi-Fi credentials. You'll need them to reconnect. Once done, locate the physical volume and center buttons. These are what you will press. This prevents delays and explains why each step is necessary. Now perform the factory reset. Press and hold the center and both volume buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see a visual confirmation or hear a chime. This confirms that the device received the command and is erasing settings. Keep holding until you get that feedback. Releasing early aborts the process. Once the Nest Hub restarts, it will boot to the initial setup screen. Make sure not to unplug the device. Interrupting power can corrupt the restore. After restart, open the Google Home app and add the Nest Hub as a new device. Sign in and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. If the hub doesn't appear, reboot your router and phone. Try a 2.4 GHz network if dual band issues persist, because many devices prefer it during setup. If you see errors, wait 5 minutes and attempt the setup again. If problems continue, perform the hardware reset one more time. Persistent failures indicate hardware issues or account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.